And so when you look to duplicate a segment, it's a very simple construction. Okay? And the steps are basically as follows. You're going to start by constructing a line segment. So if you're going to follow along on your notes, just draw a segment to begin with. Okay? And then we're going to duplicate that segment. Okay, so the first step in your duplication is you're going to construct a line or draw a line that is exaggeratedly longer than the original. Okay, so here when I construct this red line, my red segment is much longer than my original segment. Okay, the second step is you're now going to take your compass and you're going to set the compass to the length of this original segment. So I'm going to place the compass tip at one endpoint of my segment, and I'm going to adjust my compass to the point where the pencil reaches the other endpoint of that segment. Now notice what I asked here in this second step, and construct an arc. Okay? What you need to do in order to show your work is you need to have constructed this arc. Okay? I need to be able to see that. Okay? And so construct an arc that passes through the endpoint. And then the final step is you're going to duplicate this arc from the endpoint of your new segment. So choose one of these as the endpoint of your new segment, and then from that place a compass tip on that endpoint, construct an arc. And once again, I need to be able to see that you constructed that arc. Okay, so when I look to give you the points for a question like this on a quiz or a test, what I'm looking for is, do I see this marking on the original segment? Do I see the duplicated arc or marking on the second segment, the newer segment? Okay? And this is all you would need. Now, if I asked you to label, if I said this is segment AB, and I asked you to duplicate or construct a segment whose measure is equal to that of AB, and let's say I told you to label it XY, that's all you'd have to do. I understand that these are the endpoints. If you wanted to, you could put little points there to indicate it. You could darken the line, the segment in between those. I don't care. All I want to see are the markings that are necessary to show this construction.